Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch off and placing it on an ESD mat. This prevents static damage. Once done, remove the back screws with a 1.0 driver while holding the case steady. Make sure to use a plastic pry tool to lift the cover slowly. Metal can scratch contacts. As you open, observe the battery connector location and camera ribbon orientation so reassembly matches original layout and you avoid pinching fragile cables. Next, inspect the PCB and flex cables carefully. You're looking for corrosion, lifted pads, or cold solder joints because these cause most failures. If the battery bulges or the display is cracked, use tweezers to disconnect the flex gently and replace with the correct part number. This preserves polarity and fit. For loose joints, reflow with a controlled heat source only on the suspect pad. Take photos during disassembly so you know wire routing and connector orientation when you reassemble. To finish, reconnect the battery and flex cables, making sure each connector seats fully. You should feel a slight click. Once closed, power the watch and run a full test. Touchscreen response, heart rate sensor, buttons, Bluetooth pairing, and charging behavior. If something still fails, perform a soft reset first. Make sure you back up any data. Finally, if software seems corrupted, reflash the official firmware carefully. This often resolves persistent issues caused by bad updates or corrupted partitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.